This is a question for you only. Audio is there? Hi, sir. Welcome to Hyderabad, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
And sir, I know you've been visiting to Hyderabad for your shoots, and you must be having some memories. I just wanted to know, whenever you come to Hyderabad, some clicks or some sparks comes when you're going for Hyderabad, some old memories refresh yourself.
Yes, I mean, I've been coming to Hyderabad since the 80s.
Hmm.
So I've worked with a lot of wonderful producers here. Rajendra Prasad ji and Anjan Nehru Saab. A lot of people from here. And I always have the most amazing memories of Hyderabad. And आपका हैदराबाद का खाना तो वाह is the best.
Okay. So how this journey is starting, this Telugu cinema, now, पहले Bollywood का pressure था, अब हो गया है Tollywood, Telugu, Tamil, Hindi, pan-India we are going. So how you take your journey in Telugu cinema, Kannada cinema, how your journey is going?
It's really fantastic because यहाँ पे I see जो हॉलीवुड में अब जो बॉलीवुड में 90s में हुआ करता था द पैशन द ड्राइव मतलब they wanted to make the best. That is what I love about working here in the South. I mean, क्योंकि that mass, that connection with the audience अभी तक गया नहीं है. And, it's the most amazing part, the passion and what they do out here.
Okay. And any dialogue from the movie, we can have it because we loved your last, that dialogue with the passion. You learned anything Telugu? I mean, dialogue or something? Or a Hindi में भी चलेगा about this movie का? We love to hear
ये
that.
मतलब कि साहब ये सर है कंप्लेंट लिखो बॉडी ने मेरी अभी तक
But you learn, wow. But you learn something in Telugu? Anything? Nothing?
You know what? I'm trying to learn because I'm doing one film with Prabhas also.
Oh!
So I'm doing a film called Raja Saab. आप लोगों ने promo देखा होगा.
Yes.
So I'm trying. मैं सीख रहा हूँ. कोशिश कर रहा हूँ.
So about Prabhas, just you said, people are eagerly to know about working with Prabhas or your interaction. How is going on?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Is he making you eat? Because every star talk about his food.
Yeah, he makes me eat a lot, Prabhas. And he's one of the most amazing, wonderful people and a great actor. Thank you. Yeah.
Okay.
And I love Chiranjeevi sir.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, I love him. He's done Munna Bhai,
Yeah.
out here. And I share a beautiful relation with him. God bless him.
Oh, great, great.
Hello everyone, this is Taruna from NTV. So my question to Shilpa ji. Shilpa ji, would you like to answer? Yes. So we have seen you as a fitness freak, and Babato, we know he's taught so many actors, inspired so many people in the audience also about fitness. So when two fitness freaks meet together, what is the conversation? What do you share? I want to know from both of you.
I see people know about my passion for fitness now. I think in the last 15 years, Baba actually started the whole trend. Sanju was one of the, I think, fittest actors back in the day when he started out. I think he taught boys what it was to, do bicep curls. And I remember when I was shooting Thus with him, at that time we used to have conversations about fitness. I remember him telling me to do calf raises in the bathroom. I still remember this. I don't know if you remember this, but I remember this. He says the easiest and the quickest, because we do the whole, when we are training, we always neglect the calves. So the legs will look fat, but then the calves are not worked out. So he told me the trick, and I practice it even today. They say that your calves are your second heart, and the more you can do calf raises, the better it is for you. So now when I'm in the bathroom, as and when I remember, I do my calf raises. 2 sets calf raises I do in the bathroom. That's thanks to Sanju.
Yeah. Sanju ji, question to you. You just now spoke about Raja Saab. I have been on the set of Raja Saab, that devilish kind of that place where you all have this Jadoo Mantar and everything. So when you are shooting, this is again a new character, that is a different character. So what you take back home from Telangana?
As I told you, I mean, I take back the passion which Bollywood has lost, and I hope it comes back. You know, and that's what I miss back home is the passion to make a good film. You know, it's not about numbers. Everything is about numbers back in Bollywood, but I mean, it's not about numbers. It's about passion.
शी टोल्ड अबाउट द काव्स. ऐसे कौन सा वर्कआउट है जो आप ऑडियंस से भी शेयर करना चाहोगे?
मैं यही कहना
बाथरूम में नहीं, बाहर.
मैं यही कहना चाहता हूँ कि 70% is your diet and 30% is what you do in the gym. तो अपना खाना आप सही रखेंगे तो सब सही हो जाएगा.
Sanju sir,
Reshma, my
Sanju
question
sir,
to you.
here selects always a good roles and entertain the audience. What was the reason and what was the exciting point to accept this movie, sir?
You've answered the question yourself.
What
You know,
wa-
I
what
love
was-
to entertain and I love to make the audience happy. This character is a very amazing character with a lot of shades. I mean, he's I can't tell you the story, but yeah, I mean, it's a great character to play, and the relationship he has with his wife and with Dhruva, and it's beautiful. That's why it's a unique story, and when I met Prem sir, तो मुझे ही प्रेम हो गया प्रेम सर से.
No. Sir, you have a long journey in the film industry. When you look at the back, what do you feel? What exactly you ऐसा महसूस होता है मेरा जर्नी देख के, आपका जर्नी से?
अब ऐसा जर्नी देखे महसूस होता है कि मुझे ऑडियंस से इतना प्यार मिलता है, और उसके लिए आई थैंक गॉड कि आप सब लोग इतना मुझे प्यार करते हो, इतनी इज्जत देते हो, ताकि मैं 40 तक 40 आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी 45 इयर्स आई थिंक तक टिका रहा हूँ. यू नो, थैंक यू फॉर ऑल द लव. थैंक यू.
Shilpa ma'am, Shilpa ma'am, here ma'am, here, look at ma'am.
I mean, see, I mean, yeah, Chandralekha was, Nag is a very, very close friend, like a brother. And he asked me to do it, so I did it. And of course, Ram is such a wonderful boy, and he is also really like a younger brother to me. But I mean, it took me so much time क्योंकि आप लोग ने बुलाया नहीं यार. आप बुलाओ, मैं आ जाऊँगा.
Nag. With Nag. 4. Nothing great came up. And then I stopped working because then I got married and I had children. So I'd anyways reduced on the number of films. So I became a little selective. The reason for me wanting to do a film is that it has to excite me. And that is why I agreed to do Satyavati's part in KD. The film overall, and it just can't be only my character, the film has to be entertaining and, you know, massy. I've always been a massy heroine, and it's the masses that has made me. So I always try to do things that, you know, appeals to the masses. So my selection of movies will always be based on that.
Do Telugu movies? Now you're okay to do
I have
Telugu movies?
always been open to do any kind of cinema. It should just be interesting.
Okay.
For me, not as an actor, but as an audience first.
संजय
So,
सर,
yeah.
संजय सर, यहाँ पे सर अभी आपने बोलते बोलते बोला कि यहाँ से क्या लेके जाते, बोलते बॉलीवुड में पैशन लेके जाते बोल के बोले थे सिनेमा के लिए. बॉलीवुड में यहाँ से क्या लेके जाते घर को, बोले तो तुम पैशन लेके जाते सिनेमा के ऊपर का बोले था. सिनेमा के ऊपर जितना पैशन यहाँ पे है वो बॉलीवुड में मिस हो रहा बोल के, तो क्या मिस हो रहा है सर एग्जैक्टली बॉलीवुड में? आप क्या देखे, आप इतना सारा जर्नी है आपका।
मुझे ये दिख रहा है कि जब मैं रॉकी जब 1979 में बनी और तब से लेके मैं इंडस्ट्री में रहा हूँ एंड मैंने सब लोगों के साथ काम किया, धर्म जी के साथ, अमित जी के साथ, संजीव कुमार साहब, दिलीप साहब, सब के साथ, और बड़े बड़े डायरेक्टर्स के साथ काम किया। उस वक्त उनके लिए पिक्चर सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट थी, उस वक्त उनके लिए स्क्रिप्ट सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट था, म्यूज़िक डायरेक्टर्स बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट थे, और हर आदमी का एक से होता था स्क्रिप्ट पे। आजकल हम लोग के वहाँ क्या हो गया है कि पेपर पे स्क्रिप्ट नहीं लिखा जाता है, पेपर पे नंबर्स लिखे जाते हैं। यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग?
एग्जैक्टली।
And that is what is missing, and I wish it comes back. The passion, the drive for cinema, the passion to work. कि मतलब कि वास्तव में मैंने I worked continuously for 3 days without sleep.
वाओ।
That was the passion from Mahesh Manjrekar also, from me, from everybody. तो वो सेट कंप्लीट करना ही था और हम लोग को मज़ा आया करते हुए। That's what I mean.
सर आपका एक ही दिन में राजा साहब और दुनियादार 2 भी एक ही वन डे रिलीज, सेम डे रिलीज हो रहा है।
सेम डे रिलीज हो रहा है, मैं कोशिश करूंगा कि ना हो। आई विल ट्राई बिकॉज एवरीबॉडी शुड गेट अ चांस।
सर साउथ सिनेमा में आजकल जो वर्ल्ड सेट हो रहा है, एक सेटअप सेट हो रहा है, सेटअप जो अभी केडी में एक नया एक एरा दिख रहा है। आप जो केजीएफ के थे, एक वाइकिंग्स का गेटअप में एक सेपरेट वर्ल्ड, एक सेपरेट सेटअप दिख रहा है, ऐसा एक एक मूवी में एक एक सेटअप दिख रहा है। तो इसके बारे में आपका क्या राय है सर, ऐसे सेटअप बनाना, एक ह्यूज स्केल में बनाना?
बहुत अच्छी बात है कि एटलीस्ट हम लोग ये कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि एक अपना यूनिवर्स बनाए, अपना एक वर्ल्ड बनाए। एंड हाँ, केजीएफ में आपने देखा है, एंड इट्स जस्ट लाइक हॉलीवुड ने कैसे मार्वल बनाया या अवेंजर्स, क्यों नहीं हम लोग कर सकते हैं? वी गॉट ब्यूटिफुल टेक्नीशियंस, we've got amazing directors, we've got amazing actors, and we've got everything. So let's all of us, I think the full industry from all over India should get together and make one explosive film, and Hollywood को भी दिखाना पड़ेगा।
Mr. Dhruv
सर
Sajja.
संजू सर,
Mr. Dhruv Sajja.
सर संजू सर, सो अभी जो यंगर जनरेशन है ना, अभी पिक्चर में आ रहा है ना, यंग जनरेशन, तो उसको आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहते हैं जी? अभी जो एक्टर्स, आने वाला एक्टर्स अभी जो है ना, आप इतना देख रहे हैं ना सिनेमा का।
अभी मैं यही मैसेज एज अ सीनियर कहना चाहता हूँ। नंबर 1 इज़ कि पहले तो एक अच्छा इंसान बनना बहुत ज़रूरी है। पहले एक अच्छा इंसान बनो, मेहनत करो, पैसे के पीछे मत भागो, क्योंकि जितना आप पैसे के पीछे भागोगे उतना वो पैसा आगे भागेगा। तो पैसा इज नॉट द ओनली थिंग, इट्स योर परफॉर्मेंस, इट्स योर वर्क, इट्स योर डेडिकेशन, एंड आई थिंक दे शुड फॉलो दैट। क्योंकि हम लोग, जैसे ध्रुवा ने कहा, इट्स नॉट अ, वी ऑल हैव गॉन थ्रू आवर वेरी लो फेजेस इन आवर लाइफ टू रीच वेयर वी हैव रीच्ड। तो मतलब कि ऐसा भी नहीं होना चाहिए कि 3-4 पिक्चर आ गए फिर आदमी गायब है। यू गॉट टू स्टे फॉर, लाइक Amit ji is there, like all of us, 40 years, 50 years. Look at Chiranjeevi sir, look at Rajni sir. Thank you.
Okay. Mr. Dhruv Sajja.